Now, there's a little bit down the bottom. Well, there's the bit asking you about which person wants to end the conversation. Of course, it's Andy. It's Barry who is the chatty one. Okay, so Andy is trying to end the conversation, and Barry isn't helping. He tries to signal that he wants to end the conversation by saying, "That's great, Barry, and now I really must," meaning now I really must go. And anyway, Barry, and right, Barry, I must fly. Okay, so he's trying to end the conversation, and they confirm the arrangements by saying, "So you'll give me a call when I get back, right?" And I certainly will. And you'll email me a copy of the report. It'll be with you first thing in the morning. Okay, so you can go back and listen to that one again. There's a lovely role play practice here with somebody calling about a house share. And on page 166, there is a role play card for student B. And here we are on page 166 for student B. And you're in a house share in London. One of your roommates is moving out, so there's a room available. Yeah, you can't do this online, of course, but you could think about things. The room is very spacious, it's very comfortable, it's warm. It's to the rear of the house, which means at the back of the house. It's got plenty of storage space. It's got an ensuite bathroom. Probably hasn't. How many other people live in the house? What are their jobs? Are they noisy? How close is it to the nearest bus stop or the nearest tube station? Are there any shops nearby? How much is the rent, and do you have to pay anything extra for the bills for electricity or broadband or stuff like that? Okay, and that person would try to find out something about the person who's moving in. Are you a smoker or a non-smoker? Do you work irregular hours? All that kind of stuff, I suppose. You've probably been through this more than I have. I don't like sharing houses with other people very much. I did it as a student. Never again. And if we look at the workbook, you can see that some of you have done some practice already. I can see that. Here's the phone practice. And that's the credit one from before. Okay, so yeah, I suppose I should have mentioned that previously. There's another phone practice that comes down later on, and again, it's the Barry and Andy one. So yeah, as I say, I'm sorry, there's not that much in there, is there? But hello, come back. What you can do is down the bottom here, and as I said before, the reading, the listening, okay, a neat solution. There's a writing activity. Maybe you want to have a look at that one. But as I said, we're going to do this one more in class, but it gives you some great headings for a CV. Okay. Then, apart from that, I am trying to get up to date with your writing homework. I've got a little bit behind with it, but I promise you I'll get them all back to you, and then you'll send me some more. And then this is the thing I wanted to show you, a grammar test and a vocabulary test for you to check your progress. Okay. And you can have a look at these ones. Okay. Are you okay? You don't look very well. I feel awful. I think I'm fainting. I think I faint, or I think I'm going to faint. I think you're going to faint. Okay. Future form, isn't it? Okay, have a go at that one. That's all of lesson 1 for this week. Well, online. You'll forgive me if they're a little bit shorter this time, won't you? Because you're going to get a little bit more speaking with me. The second lesson of this week, we will start Unit 6, and we're going to find out about Elon Musk, the guy who makes those Tesla cars. Okay, right. That's enough of that then. Let's finish there.